This is our last weekend free, last weekend before the end of winter holidays come to an end. 2 weeks.
Christmas holiday, not winter.
Being out in Nelson in the Abel Tasman region, we're gonna head up along the entire coast through Motueka, past Golden Bay, all the way up to the top to Farewell Spit. We gotta pick up Dino Sam. He hitchhiked up to Motueka yesterday. Just Tim Trudeau, the German, is also in the Nelson area. He's gonna meet us up in Motueka and Jabberwock. We are here at Marua Caves. We're gonna look at some stalactites and stalagmites. Stalactite, hold on tight. Stalagmite might poke you in the ass. Nice spot, baby weka. It looks like a wild jade. Boys leaving, Tim's camper van just left, following Jay. Next is me. Convoy of 3 vehicles making their way towards our next stop.
Someone's hole.
Won't tell you what it is, but it does involve a big hole. So big that you'll say, wow, what a hole.
Wow, what a hole.
Where are we?
Kikakakarami. Nailed it. Let's decide to switch drivers. Max and relax. Sit shotgun. So here we are, Abel Tasman National Park. This is the Harwoods hole track. This is the deepest vertical shaft in New Zealand, measuring at 176 meters deep. Supposedly the deepest hole in the Southern Hemisphere. Just a 2.2K hike out to the hole.
No, there's nowhere to swim. There's nowhere what? There's anywhere to swim. If you really want to, yeah. But I don't know if you really want to.
Ooh, this water looks fresh to drink from.
Go on, Jay.
So at the Z, it was 240.
I was going up this hill, and the engine, because obviously the fuel tank, it's like and there was a car behind me. And after I went to Weta, it was one of the movies on the big wall. It's not really a cave. Yeah, nah.
Imagine this was the hole.
What a hole.
Hayward's hole. Harwood.
Wow.
It's a lot like labyrinth blocks.
Wow.
Anybody down there? Yes, I'm stuck. It makes me mad.
I'm just looking over and it looks quite scary. I feel my butthole clenching.
I feel good. I'm gone.
Where are you, Tim?
Here. Yeah, where is that?
Well, that's cool.
Hi.
Oh man, this is a lot of trust that I am putting in that these rocks aren't going to crush me.
You should trust.
It is what it is, eh? Like this rock right here would flatten me. Jesus. Yeah, this is close enough for me, methinks. I feel my spidey butthole tingling. That's that survival instinct kicking in. I saw enough of the hole. Enough for me to go, wow.
What a hole.
Quel trou in French. Yeah, nah. I went down over there. Yeah, you get the gist of it.
I get the gist. It's a big hole.
Yeah, I get it.
Big what? Want to fight about it?
Just Tim's got his Trudeau. Just Tim's got his true drone. He's gonna set it up, get some sweet drone shots. So that is the Mavic Pro.
Mavic Air.
Mavic Air. Very portable one.
That's my drone impression.
Very good. Do it again.
Right in Bali. How do you like that, YouTube?
There it goes. Bye, drone.
Fly it into the hole.
Jay's getting impatient. He's like, fly it into the hole.
Nice.
Enough with these pictures.
One more picture. Am I in it? Yes, you are. You're on the top.
It doesn't want to go higher. It's going down. Uh-oh. Not good.
Send it back. The drone couldn't reach max altitude, so it's weird.
A bit of an altitude adjustment.
Even the drone is terrified of Harwoods.
That's right. It's like, please, Daddy, no.
The DJI Air fits in your pocket but doesn't fit in a big hole.
Is there a way down here?
You jump and try to land on some level ground. Ready for takeoff.
Ready for takeoff? Yeah, much better. See?
There it goes.
Where are you going? I just wanna...
Where are you
Where are
going?
you going?
A white jay emerges.
Oh, that nearly hit a bird.
Oh, you wouldn't want to fall on these rocks.
You know, we can make a picture of the front if you guys want.
Screw you, drone.
My eyes.
I don't know why you're trying to land it on here. You just grab it out the air.
Yeah, I don't know why that.
Jay's the drone pilot expert.
Well, shit.
The armchair expert. Yeah, because you just sit in your armchair, giving out directions.
It's common Reddit insult.
No, it's just a friend of mine's got a drone as well.
So after literally visiting every
campground.
campground, holiday park,
Backpackers.
backpack, everything is fully booked out except for this place here. The River Inn Lifesavers, $16 a night to camp here. And we have access to their facilities, showers, toilets, and kitchen, which is great. So everyone's cooking their dinners. We have
Sam's
just
inside the
Tim
kitchen.
Trudeau cooking up some pasta.
Tuna, cheese, spices, of course the
And of
beer.
course, this one's brought to you by Tui Strong. Drink responsibly. Jay's cooking what he calls
Boring pasta.
What kind of noodles did you get?
Sam is inside also cooking pasta. No, he's not. He's eating his vegetarian sausage. Or he's probably chopping it up and putting it in.
Probably something with bread.
Oh, here, Sam.
Do you want to check out my broth, Mark?
Okay, so how did this turn out here?
I mean, how delicious does it look?
It looks pretty good.
Wow.
You got some vegetables in there. It's probably probably the healthiest looking thing I've seen you cook.
Ever. Yeah, honestly.
Are the sausages in there?
Yeah. Just don't touch it, it's really hot. Hopefully they've boiled long enough. Probably not, actually. They're probably like stone cold still. But
And look at our 3 vehicles. Just parked next to each other. So cute. Jay's camper van, our Toyota Camry, and of course, Justin Trudeau's, I think it's called the ISIS.
come on and join the feed, bro.
Come on
We're having
over.
a mean feed over here. Come over here, cuz.
Bring your food over here, cuzzo. Bring your vodka. Bring your Sprite. Bring your beer.
Get my beer.
That's what these cup holders are made for. Tui Strong, 7.2% lager. Drink responsibly.
Let's go.
Don't be lazy. Move your ass.
I just got to the episode